I'm not doing manual labor today.
Holy crap, guys!
AutoBuzz Drag Series 2025 is powered by PETRONAS Primax 97 with Pro Race. Designed for unbeatable performance and satisfaction on the road. Experience power, efficiency, and responsiveness today.
We are back with another drag series, and as usual, we always start with a bang.
And by that, we mean having 3 of the hottest hot hatches currently on the market, each with their own unique abilities.
And we're doing it on the main straight of the PETRONAS Sepang International Circuit featuring these 3 cars. So, how should we do it?
I'm not doing manual labor today.
I'm taking the Corolla then.
I'd love to take the Type R, but it's an automatic.
Oh, it's because I always make the right choices. He's taking the all-wheel drive.
Yeah, it's still manual. That guy everyday drive manual already.
It's not like I launch at every traffic light.
Wait, this car has the least power.
Ha!
But first, a quick rundown of the contenders. The GR Corolla is the only one with a 1.6-litre engine and all-wheel drive, while the Golf is the only automatic here with a quick shifting dual-clutch gearbox.
On paper, it looks like a sure win for the Civic Type R, but like the Corolla, it's a manual, so a clean start is crucial.
Before that, all 3 cars are filled with PETRONAS Primax 97 with Pro Race to fully utilize the potential of these engines. It is not just proven to offer more power, but also helps the engine to operate more efficiently, making it more responsive to the throttle.
The rules are simple. It's 2 400-meter races, one a standing start and the other a rolling start to the finish line.
All cars would be in their sportier setting, and since the Golf is the only automatic here, no brake boosting or launch control is allowed. For the manual cars, it's really down to the driver. A poor start and it could be hard to catch up even with the extra power.
Now, we all know how quickly the DSG gearbox can shift, but can these manual boys prove otherwise? Let's see.
So in case you guys have forgotten, this is still the fastest front-wheel drive car in the world at the moment. But it's not just that, it is also the most powerful in terms of horsepower, and it's also the lightest among the 3.
Yeah, my car might be the heaviest here, but what I do have is all-wheel drive traction. And just so I can make sure that all 300 of my horses are going down into the ground, I'm also going to be putting it into track mode, which splits the power 50-50. Oh, and also don't forget sports mode as well.
So, those 2 young fellas there will have to deal with manual shifting, meaning getting it off the line is going to be difficult, getting perfect shifting is going to be difficult. Whereas for me, I just need to put my right foot down and just go straight. So it's that easy, no manual labor whatsoever. I'm going to win. DSG bro, together with PETRONAS Primax 97 with Pro Race, I'm going to just go with full power.
My only threat should be GC. I don't want to sound cocky, but I do drive a manual every day. So I should have an advantage over Woon, especially at the start.
I'm sure Eugene over there is busy telling you guys that he's the best manual driver or something, but what he doesn't know is I have hundreds of hours of experience on Gran Turismo, so I'm sure that will help get me the win.
Also, thank you so much to the owner Dylan for lending us this car and making it happen.
Guys, make sure you guys don't money shift, huh? Hey, don't say that.
I've been practicing for this race all my life, man.
You see, you laugh now.
You just make sure you're not in neutral later when we start, okay?
Amateurs. Haven't done this for a long time. Wait, mode, sport mode.
Okay, gentlemen, get ready. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, come on, GTI, yes, no, yes, engine forward, yes!
No!
Oh goodness! Oh goodness! No! Oh no!
Comfortable victory! FL5 I can see on the side, quite close to me, but not close enough! Yes!
Oh no!
Hard to launch like this all-wheel drive.
Alright!
Oh man, 50 horsepower down,
But
but
the DSG is
DSG, you just can't fight.
Man, this all-wheel drive.
It's hard to launch. I also don't know what I'm doing wrong.
So that's driver fault lah, driver fault.
Definitely driver fault. I over-revved and then not the best start also.
Malu lah, I'm gonna kena from all the comments.
Type R people, I'm so sorry. My manual let you down today.
Let's have a quick recap. Despite being the more powerful ones, both the Civic Type R and the GR Corolla did not get a clean start, but the Golf did. Without a third pedal to manage, it leaped ahead from the start. Despite making a lot less power, its DSG dual clutch gearbox made up for it with quick gear changes and maintained its lead in the 400-meter race to the finish line. The FL5 came in close second, followed by the GR Corolla.
Now, for our next race, all three cars will set off from a speed of 50 km per hour when they cross the starting line. The manual cars will start in second gear, but for GC, well, it's whatever gear his Golf chooses. With driver skill out of the way, this race will definitely be a more equal playing field. So will the results be any different? This one, no such thing as driver error. I'm gonna beat this guy for real.
50 kilometers per hour. Ready, guys?
And go.
Let's go! Rolling start! Oh, nice!
Okay, that's descent. Oh my god.
No, GTI! No! Oh, the FL5! Come on!
Oh my god, this guy is pulling away. And DSG catching on. Oh my god, this is close, this is close.
Come on, I'm gonna get a Corolla. I'm gonna at least get a Corolla, come on!
At least the Type R takes it with the rolling start.
Second place, second place. No malu, no malu, no malu, no malu. We are okay.
Wow! See what happens when you don't have the automatic gearbox helping you?
Hey, no joke, man, but the
The DSG really catching back on through the
later part of the race, man.
It's about who crosses it first lah.
Yeah, if I have another kilometer maybe.
Clawed back some face for the H owners.
I'm pretty sure you guys want to know what just happened there, so let's play the tape.
With all three cars getting off the line from a rolling start, the Civic Type R showed why it's currently the fastest front-wheel drive car with sheer pace from start to the finish line.
This time the GR Corolla got off to a better start with its all-wheel drive and crossed the finish line to take second place ahead of the Golf.
I guess no matter how often you drive a manual, you just can't beat technology.
Yeah, like I said, manual labor is not the way to go, man. But I do have to say the DSG was a bit slow to react at the start, but even with at least 70 horsepower lesser, with the DSG, it made all the difference. Wunderbar.
I guess Gran Turismo skills don't really translate to real life. But the all-wheel drive really hard to launch, man. I think I didn't get enough revs, something like that lah. But at least rolling start, no need to launch the car. At least I get to claw back some pride for GR.
Type R power, Primax 97 power.
What are you guys talking about? What rolling race? Got rolling race, man? No what? I got? No.
We hope you enjoyed this video because we definitely had fun filming it to show you how different manuals and autos can be. Next up, we're going to be a little more practical.
It's time for another drag race.
We have Japan, China, and Malaysia.
Let's hope the result will be more favorable this time. Holy crap, guys!
PETRONAS Grand Prix of Malaysia 2025 is happening this October. Witness the adrenaline-filled MotoGP race as the world's fastest riders battle it out for glory. Experience the roar of the engines and the electrifying atmosphere. There's nothing like it. Get your tickets now at sepangcircuit.com. AutoBuzz Drag Series 2025 is powered by PETRONAS Primax 97 with Pro Race. designed for unbeatable performance and satisfaction on the road. Experience power, efficiency, and responsiveness today.